Welcome to this tutorial on using the roles in a year-to-date planning view. First, review what time settings control. They let you choose the required time granularity, define the number of periods to display, and decide whether the planning horizon uses a fixed time or rolling time window. You can also combine different time intervals or use total to display aggregated key figure values. Next, consider the year-to-date and to roles example. Year-to-date means from the beginning of the current year up to a specific date or period. To roles means the from period stays fixed, while the to period rolls forward over time. In this tutorial, the example horizon runs from January 2026 to June 2026. Now, in Excel, open the SAP IBP ribbon. The Planning View group is displayed, and the New View button is highlighted. Click New View to create a planning view from a template. After clicking New View, the Create New Planning View from Template window opens on the Time Settings page. The rolling field is displayed in the Time Settings table. Open the Rolling drop-down and choose to Roles for a horizon with a fixed start and rolling end. After opening the Rolling drop-down, the available options are displayed, including Rolling, Fixed, From Roles, and to Roles. Select to Roles so the start period remains fixed while the end period can roll forward. After selecting to Roles, the Time Settings row shows Month as the time level and to Roles as the rolling option. Click the From drop-down to choose the fixed starting period for the year-to-date window. After opening the From drop-down, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select the required From period for the example horizon. In this tutorial, the generated planning view starts at January 2026. After selecting the From period, the Time Settings row is updated. Click the drop-down to choose the rolling end period for the year-to-date window. After opening the drop-down, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select the required to period. In this example, the planning view ends at June 2026. After selecting the to period, confirm that the Time Settings row uses to roles with the chosen from and to periods. Then click OK to generate the planning view. After clicking OK, the SAP IBP Excel add-in creates the planning view in the worksheet. The view displays actuals quantity by material across monthly columns from January 2026 through June 2026. In summary, using the roles in a year-to-date planning view starts by creating the planning view, changing the rolling option to the roles, selecting the from and to periods, and confirming the setup. The SAP IBP Excel add-in then writes the planning view into the worksheet so planners can review values from fixed start period through a rolling end period. The exact templates, fields, periods, and settings may vary by planning area, template, and system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.